Hey Mom's Gang, it's Ramadan today, so Eid Mubarak to one and all. Ramadan or Eid al-Fitr is a festival of spreading love and happiness celebrated by the Muslims all over the world after fasting for 30 days. So on this day, there are a lot of dishes being cooked. One of the famous dish and a dessert is this Sheer Khurma. I love this dish that my mom cooks. So let's get started with the recipe. So for this recipe, we need few ingredients here. Here are the list of ingredients. The first ingredient that we need is the vermicelli. So this needs to be a thin one, and roasted one you can get it in Indian store. Next is like half a cup of ghee, then like 1/4 cup of almonds, 1/4 cup of golden raisins, then 1/4 cup of cashews, half a cup of powdered sugar or any kind of sugar. Then we're gonna use like 1/4 cup of Khoa, which you can get in Indian store. Then 1/4 cup of pitted dates. Then 1 tablespoon of cardamom powder. Then the main one is the milk. Here we're gonna use whole milk, which is for 750 ml. Make sure you get whole milk. The other skim milk and all, it's not gonna taste good with the dish. Now that our ingredients are ready, let's move to the preparation. On a medium hot pan, add half cup of ghee, then 1/4 cup of almonds, then we're gonna add 1/4 cup of cashews, add 1/4 cup of golden raisins. So for this dish, these nuts are the important characters which makes it taste delicious. So make sure to add as many as nuts as you can and let them get fried a bit. So now that these are fried, let's take out some nuts for garnishing at the end. So now we'll add the vermicelli, the roasted one, and we're gonna mix it a bit. Add 1/4 cup of pitted dates. This is gonna give like pretty good taste to the dish. And we're gonna add like 1/4 tablespoon of cardamom powder and keep the rest aside. So we'll mix this again, and now we'll add the whole milk. So I'm adding like 750 ml of whole milk. So make sure you use whole milk. If you use skim milk, it's not gonna taste similar to how it tastes with the whole milk. So now mix it for a minute before we add the sugar. Now add the sugar. So I'm adding like half a cup of sugar here. So half a cup of sugar should be pretty much fine for this dish because we have added dates and we're gonna add Khoa, which also brings up the sweetness. So do not add much sugar or else it's gonna taste more sweet. So what my mom suggests is like for any dish or a dessert, it is really important to maintain all the ratios properly. So here for this dish, sugar is the main thing, because if the sweet should taste properly, then the sugar ratios should be perfect. So that is the reason why do not add much sugar to this, as we have added a lot of other ingredients which is gonna give the sweetness. So once we have added all of this, we're gonna let it sit for 8 minutes until it comes to the boil. So here you can see the milk is kind of boiling now, and so now it's in a medium heat. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn the heat to a low, and we're gonna make it sit for another 1 or 2 minutes. So after like 2 minutes, this is how the dish is gonna look. So now the heat is in like low, so you can see the sheer kurma is getting thickened. So it's gonna get more thickened as it cools down, so you can still add more milk while you're serving. Now add the rest of cardamom powder on top of this. So once we mix this, so now is the last step where we're gonna add the Khoa and turn off the heat. Now add 1/4 cup of Khoa. Actually, this step is a optional one. If you do not find Khoa, then do not worry at all, because our sheer korma is still gonna be as delicious without the Khoa. So now let's mix this and let's turn off the heat before we move this to the serving bowl. So I'm moving this dish to the serving bowl. So here I'm gonna garnish this with the fried nuts that we kept it aside. So that's it, mom's gang. Our delicious sheer khurma is ready. Please do try and let me know in the comment section below how does it look and how does it taste. Please also share with your friends and family and do let us know what they feel. So do like this video, share this video with your friends and family, and also do subscribe. We need your support a lot. And do follow us on Instagram and on this account. So yeah, that's it for today. So love your moms. Moms are the best. Meet you with another recipe. Bye.